Yes, Nagabhushnam. You're getting so confused. Okay, today I will explain. But next time, when I ask you repeatedly, have you understood? Have you understood? Make sure you tell there only if you have understood or not. From next time, okay? Today I will tell you. But from next time, I will ask 100 times, have you understood? Have you understood? So next time, if you have not understood, let me know, okay? So now I'll explain you guys. So yes, from today, I think there will be no background sounds for you. Are you guys getting any background voices like background sounds or anything else? Yes, that's good. Okay. So I have just installed one voice, external voice cancellation application. So it's working fine. Yes. Okay, guys. So let us start with our today's concept. First let us see what is a post increment and pre increment. Okay, guys. So let us start with our pre and post increment. See, first of all, in increment operator, in an increment operator, we have pre and post. Okay, in increment, we have, first of all, increment is denoted by plus plus, and decrement is denoted by minus minus. Increment, there is pre increment also and post increment also. Okay, in decrement, there is pre decrement and post decrement. These are the two types. Now, pre decrement is denoted by, if you are having a variable I, pre increment is denoted by plus plus I. Okay, plus plus I, and post increment is denoted by I plus plus. Pre means before, okay, post means after. Pre increment means plus plus I, post increment means I plus plus. Pre decrement means minus minus I, post decrement means I minus minus. Suppose if you are taking variable A, okay, int A is equal to plus plus. Okay, let us take one. Let us take int A is equal to 5. Now, we're taking int B is equal to A plus plus. Means this is post increment. Okay, post increment. Okay, first let us go for pre only. Okay, listen carefully. Plus plus A if you are taking. Listen carefully. First, plus plus is used. First comes first served. First comes first served. Okay. So first come first served. Rule you have to follow here. First operator is coming. So do the operation for the operator. First variable is coming. Do the operation of variable. That means use the value of variable. Here plus plus is coming. So what we have to do? First we have to go to whom it is prefixed. To whom it is prefixed? For the variable A. So for the variable A, we have prefix with the plus plus. So we have to go here. Increment by 1. It will be 6. Then here you have to use the current value of A. What is the current value of A? It is 6. So currently B is equal to 6 as well as A is equal to 6. Now, if you are changing it with the, okay, suppose if we take same int A is equal to 5 and int B is equal to A plus plus. Okay, first we have to first use the value of variable. Currently, what is the value of A? A value is 5. So B is equal to 5. Since we have plus plus, we will go and increment by 1. It will become 6. So here A is equal to 6 and B is equal to 5. So coming to pre-decrement. Same we will take int a is equal to 5. Okay, int b is equal to minus a. First of all, we are getting a operator. We have to do the operator function. So we have to go to variable a and the value we have to decrease by 1. It will become 4. Next, we have to use the value of variable. What is the value of variable a? That is 4. So a is equal to 4, b is equal to also 4 only. Okay, next. Coming here, int a is equal to 5. Int b is equal to a minus minus. Okay, a minus minus. So here what we have to do? Here what we have to do? First come, first served. Variable is coming first. Variable is coming first. Use the value of variable. Then operator is coming next. Do the operation. Decrease by 1, it will be 4. So a is equal to 4, b is equal to 5. This is how. See, plus plus means increase by 1. Plus plus means always increase by 1. Minus minus means always decrease by 1. Okay. Plus 1, minus 1. Hope it's clear, everyone. Lipsa, do you get it? Oh my god, why it is showing 4 times? It is seen 4 times here. 4 times your names is seen. Okay. Okay guys, now let us go to our decision statements. Now you guys quickly tell me why we go for decision statement. Anyone? Quickly tell me why we have to go for decision statements. Why we have to go for decision statements? Quickly tell me why we have to go for decision statements. Yesterday I explained you. So from today, yes, to avoid unwanted codes. Yes, if a programmer wants to skip a block of instructions from the execution, if the condition is not satisfied, we will be going for decision statements. Yes. So from yes to check the condition is. See guys, from today we will have one this one what we call every day at the end of 5 minutes or at the starting itself or in the middle. Okay, depending on when I want to take, we will be asked a few questions based on previous classes. Okay, so this is some good changes will be there in your class. Okay, so I will not scold you or I will not do anything. You are also human beings, you are engineers. You already know what I have taught. Okay, if you have not understood, check me and ask me a number of times. I am ready to explain. Okay, but without understanding, don't leave the class. Yes, that is for your benefit only, because I like suspect many of you are not studying. Whatever the notes I have sent, even many of you have not seen. I can show you the proof. See, you have paid money to come here. I am working. This is my job. But you have paid. Okay, 1 rupee also simply it will not come. You have to utilize it. At least whatever I'm explaining, that you understand. Whatever the programs I'm doing, just basically you do that. Later, advanced you can only do if you know basics. Surely, I will tell you few websites there you can go, you can do coding. You will become an expert. Because in this Java class, we can't cover the whole Java. I'm only for core Java. Okay, advanced Java, someone will take. You have to be good in core Java first. Core Java is the base. So I want you guys to be interactive in the class. Anywhere, anything, silly doubt also. See, no respect will go by asking doubts. Nobody lost respect. So do ask doubts. In case if you didn't get, let me know. Okay. I'll explain you in another way so that you can understand. Okay. Nobody is less, nobody is little. And notes I have sent you means go through the notes. Right? Go through the notes. And if anybody is not seeing notes, before joining the class, I will see if anybody has not seen notes, then surely I will ask previous questions. Full questions I will ask. Not even 1 point I will leave. That will be the punishment. Take it as a good time. So these are the good times. So this month only we started. Start studying. Still we are in part 1 itself. Okay. And once in 15 days, we will be taking mock. It doesn't matter if you have completed part 1 or not. 15 days once will be taking a mock. Okay. So after that, you will be asked questions daily. I don't know whom I will call. Okay. I don't know whom I will call. I'll just scroll down here. Whoever I wish to call, I'll just call. Okay. I'll not target anyone. I don't know who you are. From what you are, I don't to understand it. So let us start with your if block first. If here we will have the condition, and here we will write the statements to be executed. Statements or instructions to be executed. Instructions to be executed. Next, here, whatever the condition we give, okay, whatever the condition we give, if the condition is true, if the condition is true, control comes inside the block and it will execute everything. Okay, it will execute everything. In case if the condition is false, in case if the condition is false, control will not come inside the if block. It will exit if block and execute the remaining statements. It will exit if block and it will execute the remaining statements and execute the remaining statements. This is how if block works. Now let us see this with one small example. Let us go to our package, that is your E23, okay, and basics of Java. So let us create one class. Okay, so there will be we will go for okay, what we will do is let us take like a if statement. Okay, so if a statement, in the if a statement here, yes, we will go first for main method, because without main method it's impossible to execute this. So first let us go to main method, and there are few shortcuts. There are few shortcuts which you have to know. Okay, so I think by this time you are thorough with the main method. Now I will tell you the shortcuts. See, type MAIN control space. MAIN control space. Control and space both at the same time you have to type. So you will be getting a main method. Okay. Now after writing a code, you have to format the code. So Control Shift F. This is how your class and main method should be. If I write like this syntax only, you will get confused. So that is why we are writing like this. But after writing all code, Control Shift F you have to do, so that it will be properly sitting in a proper format. Okay. Now let us carry on with our if statement. So if a statement, what we'll do, let us take one if. Now inside here, okay, first let us declare one variable int a is equal to 8. Now Now listen carefully. Listen carefully. If A is a even number or not, we have to find. A is even number or not. Now how can we find it? A is even number or not. How can we find it? What is the logic for finding even number? Tell me quickly. See, from today onwards, more questions will be asked you every time, so that, yeah, modulus A modulus 2 equal to 0. So if you take A mod equal to and A mod 2 equal to 0, this is the condition. We have to check if the given number is even or not. So what we will do here is, and here also for system.out.println there is shortcut. So what is that shortcut? SYSO. If you type capital or small, SYSO, you can type. You can type fully with the capital SYSO. You will still get this one. Or fully small SYSO, still you will get the print statement. Or just capital SYSO, you will get it anywhere. So here you have a println statement. You have a println statement. Now here, if the number is divided by 2 completely, then you can tell that the number A is an even number. Even number. Now, okay, we have given 8. Okay, we have given 8. Now let us execute. Let us execute. This is one problem. Okay, so here, yes. So what did we get now? What did we get? 8 is an even number. 8 is an even number. Did we get 8 is an even number? What we taught? Nothing. We just revised previous session. That's it. Previous session, increment, decrement, we have revised. That's it. Yesterday I've already explained you if, okay, if else I've already explained you. Himanshu, same thing, nothing else. We are doing program for the first if statement. That's it. Okay, so here, if you're taking 8 mod 2 equal to 0. So 8 mod 2 equal to 0 means now we'll be telling 8 is an even number. Okay, fine. But if you're taking this as a 7, okay, if you're taking this as a 7, now if you're taking it as a 7 is an odd number. But here we have written a logic for even number. Okay, here we have written logic for even number. 7 is odd. Any number divided by 2 completely is an even number. Now, so what we have to do now so that you'll get a proper output? See, we'll execute here. What are we getting? What are we getting? In nothing we are getting. Why? Because 7 is a odd number. 7 is a odd number. Okay, suppose if we write one statement here. Suppose if we write one statement here, that is A is an odd number. A is an odd number. Now here, what we are seeing here, in case if the condition is wrong, control comes out of the if block. It will not go inside if block. It will come out of the if block. Then we will print this A is an odd number. Now let us execute. Are you guys seeing? 7 is an odd number. Are you guys seeing? But this is not how you have to write a code. See, I will give 8. Okay, I will give 8. Now you will see what is the drawback here. Now I will give 8. Now when I give 8, here this will execute. 8 is an even number also will execute, and next you will be getting 8 is an odd number also. So this is a drawback here. Can you see? 8 is an even number also we are getting. 8 is an odd number also we are getting. So because of this, here, because of this, we will go to else block. See, if I write even number, I will get A is an even and A is an odd. Okay. Now, in case if you want to get a proper output, we have to go to else block. So inside else block, what happens is, inside else block, in case if the condition, is wrong here, control comes and executes else. Okay, control comes and executes else. Control comes and executes else. So here, why it executes else? Why it executes else? It executes else because the condition in the if block will be false. Okay, see now condition in if block is true, that is 8 is an even number. Yes, you will be getting a 8 is an even number. But now let me show you, 8 is an even number you will get. Now suppose if you give a 7 here, now you have to get 7 is an odd number. Why? Because 7 mod 2, it is 1 equal to 0. 1 is not equal to 0. So your condition is false, it will not come inside if block. Control go to else block. Control will goes to else block, and now it will execute your 8. I mean A is an odd number, that is 7 is an odd number. Now you see that 7 is an odd number. Did we get it? Yes, we did get it. So in a if block, what is the drawback is, here if you have a condition, if it is true only it will come inside. It will not, it is not true, it will go outside. It will just exit the if block. That is why we have to have else also. We need to have else also. If condition is true, we have to print one statement. Here just now we have seen, no, if condition is true, we will be getting that it's an even number. If condition is false, control comes to else, and now we will be printing that the A is an A is an odd number. Okay, so this is how you will execute your if else statement. If else statement. Hope you are clear with this. Did you guys get it? Everyone? Okay, so currently we have done a program 1 for a if else. See, we can do n number of programs for if else. We can do n number of programs for if else. So here what we will do is next. Let us take one number. Now tell me one number which is divided both by 2 and 3. Tell me the least number which is divided by both 2 and 3. Number? No. Very, very small. Yes. 6 is the smallest number. 6 is the smallest number wherein it can divide completely by 2 as well as 3. Wherein it is dividable by 2 and 3 completely. So we will take one variable int b is equal to, okay, this is program number 2. Program number 2. So here what we'll do is if, okay, let us take one variable int b is equal to, let us take 6. Now what condition we have to give? What condition we have to give? See, we have to give a condition wherein it is completely divided by 2 as well as completely divided by 3. So listen carefully. In the if block, we will take b mod 2 equal to 0. We have to use AND because both conditions should be satisfied. B mod 3 equal to 0. So B mod 2 equal to 0 and B mod 3 equal to 0. That means the number 6 is divided by 2 completely as well as it is divided by 3 completely. So you can tell now that 6 is number 6 is divided by both 2 and 3 completely. Okay, this is when it goes here. What if it the number, like suppose if you take 8 is not completely divided by 3. So if you're taking 8, you have to go for else. So when you go for else, what you'll do is you'll be telling that the whatever the number you're taking is not divided by both 2 and 3. So this is how you will be checking if the number is divided by both 2 and 3 completely. Okay, let me mention here. To find the given to find if the given number is even or odd. Here we'll be checking to find if the given number is completely divided by 2 and 3. So hope you have understood this program number 2. Everybody got program number 2? So let us go for program number 3, wherein to find greatest of two numbers. Greatest of two numbers. Now C is equal to and int D is equal to. So now you guys tell me two values. Now let us find if that which number is greatest. Tell me two values. We will be finding which value is the greatest. Just two numbers. Any two numbers. 5 and 6, 6 and 9. Okay. 24 and 35. Okay. 24 and 35 is good. 24 and 35. Okay. Now we have to check which is the greatest number. We have to check which is the greatest number. So what will go if? Now first what we have to do? First we have to check if C is greater than D. We have to check if C is greater than D. If C is greater than D, we can tell that the C is the greatest number. Okay. Else, what we will tell else? Else we will tell D is the greatest number. So what is the logic here? What is the logic here? We'll be checking if this C is greater than D. See, if you merge also, you will still, if you mix also, you will still be getting the same values. You will still be getting the same values. Okay. So here C is 24 and D is 35. Is 24 greater than 35? 24 greater than 35? Obviously no. So condition is wrong. Condition is wrong. So control goes where? In the else. So now we will be telling that 35 is the greatest number. Listen carefully. We will be telling 35 is the greatest number. Why? See, 24 is not greater than 35. 24 is not greater than 35. Now we will be telling it will not come inside this block. Why? Because the condition is false. When the condition is false for the if, control will not come inside the if block. It will go to else block and it will execute that statement. So now we will be getting 35 is the greatest number. Are we getting here? 35 is the greatest number. 35 is the greatest number we are getting here. Okay. Now let us interchange. Let us interchange. What will the output be? Both statements were to be false. Both statements can't be false. There you will come across that type of also. That type also you will come across. Then you will find out. Okay. Yeah. Here both statement can't be false. If it is false only, it will come here. In case if it is not false, if it is true, this only will come. Here we can't check true or false. In the else, we can't check true and false. If only because it has a condition. If has a condition, so we can check here only that if it is a true or false. Okay, we'll be checking here only if it is true or false. But here you can't check. Here you can't check. If it is true, this will execute. If it is false, this will execute. Okay. So now let us interchange the values. Let us interchange 35 here. Let us interchange with 24 here. Now 35 and 24. See, 35 is greater than 24. 35 is greater than 24. Condition is true. Yes. So now condition is true. Now this will be executed. C is the greatest number, that is 35 is the greatest number. Again I'll execute, you will be getting the same output. 35 is the greatest number. Are you seeing here? Are you seeing the output? 35 is the greatest number. 35 is the greatest number here. Okay. So this is how you'll be finding greatest of two numbers. Greatest of two numbers. Hope you guys have understood. Everybody understood? Everybody got the concept, this program and this one, because we'll be going for next. Okay, next we will go for our next concept, that is if else if ladder. That is your if else if ladder. If else if ladder. Okay. So let us. One second. This is not working. One second. Just a minute. Excuse me, guys. What is this? What happened? Only one statement will execute, right? Yes. Any one will execute, not only here. The whole decision statement. If you take if, only one statement only will execute. If else, only one statement will execute. If else if ladder also, only one correct statement. In a switch also, only one correct statement will execute. Whatever decision statement you take, only one statement will execute. Only one case will execute, only one statement will execute, only one block will only execute. Always, any one block, either if or else. Okay. See, in if there is no other options. If condition is true, it will execute, or else no. But in if else, surely any one of them will execute. If condition is true, if will execute. If condition is false, else will execute. Now let us understand if else if ladder. If else if ladder. Okay, let us understand now. So here in if else if ladder, first let us understand the syntax. Let us understand the syntax. If condition, listen carefully. If condition, here we will have few statements. Statements to be executed. Statements to be executed. And else. See, here we have one condition. We can have only one condition. Okay. We can have only one condition. But what if we have more than one condition? What if we have more than one condition? See, suppose you want to find greatest of three numbers. Okay, you want to find greatest of three numbers. So how can we find it? How can we find it? How can we find greatest of three numbers? How is it possible? Very simple. See, suppose if you take number 1 is equal to 3, number 2 is equal to 4, and number 3 is equal to 2. Now, you can check which is the greatest number. Just by seeing, you can tell which is the greatest number, right? Just by seeing. What happened? Yes, disadvantage of if, yes. So, here, now, we are here. So, if you are taking n1 into n3, we have three numbers. Now, we want to check the greatest of three numbers. The greatest of three numbers. So, what we will do here, first we will take n1. Then we will check with n2. Then n1 we will check with n3. You have already seen this in conditional operator. You have already seen. n1 we have to take, compare with n2 and n3. Next, after that, if n1 is not the greatest, then you have to leave it. Then you have to compare n2 and n3. If n2 is greater than n3, we can tell n2 is the greatest, or else we can tell n3 is the greatest. Or else we can tell n3 is the greatest. Okay. Now, let us see it. See, because we have to have two conditions. We need to have two conditions here, right? So, n1, n2 and n3. We need to have n1, n2 and n3. So, here, now what we will do is, another one condition we want. So, we will go for else if. In else if, we can have condition. We can have condition, and here we can have block. another else if also, if you want, you can have another else if of condition, another else if of condition you can have. Okay, like this, else ifs you can have infinity. Okay, you can have infinity number of else ifs. You can have infinity number of else ifs you can have. But though if you have infinity number of else ifs, though you have infinity number of else ifs, at the last, in case none of them got executed, lastly your else block will execute. Lastly, your else block will execute. Your else block will execute. In case none of the cases got executed, your else block will execute. None of the if else will execute, your else will all execute. See here, for suppose you are checking one condition. If the condition is not true, that is false, control will go to next else if. Here also condition is false. Now control goes to else if. Here also condition is false. Like this, all the conditions are false, false, false. When all the conditions are false, the statement inside the else will execute. The statement inside else will execute. The statement inside else will execute. But in case, any one of the case got, any one of the if else got executed, that means any one of the condition here. Suppose this condition is false and this is also false. Now assume this has become true. Here control will stop. Control will stop the execution here because this condition is true. So this block should be executed. This else if block should be executed because the condition is true. When the condition is true, else if block will execute and the program will stop the execution here. That if else if ladder, will stop executing here. Will stop executing here. See this else if, how many number else ifs we want, you can have. So it's like else if, n number of else ifs we can have. So that is why we call it as a else if ladder. We call it as a else if ladder. Any number of else ifs you can have. Okay, any number of else ifs you can have. So that is why we will call it as a else if ladder. Okay, now we were checking greatest of three numbers. So greatest of three numbers. Now let us check it practically. After program 3. Okay, wait, Preeti. We have to apply break. No. Break is not required here. Break is currently, you have not learnt about break. You have not learnt about breaks. So break is not implemented here currently. We will see break in the future concept, that is in the switch. Okay, your counselor is here. We'll resume back after the requirement announcement. Yes, Vandana, you can carry on.
Thank you, ma'am.
So any doubt?
Good evening, guys. This is Madhumita from management team. I am audible to everyone.
So that's it from my end, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you, sir.
Okay, sharing my screen now. So, guys, this is development requirement. Please take a snap of this, everyone. So, guys, is it done? Okay, I'll stop sharing my screen now. So, guys, if you are eligible for these requirements, please drop a message in HRQ tab app, your name, company code, and contact number. So, guys, any queries, any doubts? Okay, guys, thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, guys, we'll resume back. Okay, so now let us find out the greatest of three numbers. Greatest of three numbers. Greatest of three numbers. Else if ladder, explain again. You will get to know when we do program. So yes, in case if you didn't understand, then also you can let me know. Okay. So this is an if statement. In if statement, we have used else also. So let us change it to if else statement. If else statement. Okay. Now let us go for one more class. Let us create a if else if ladder. Let us create one more class. Let us create if else if ladder. Okay, if else if ladder. So listen carefully. Let us have a main method here. Now let us take three values. Int A is equal to 4. Int B is equal to 7. Int C is equal to 2. Now we have to find greatest of program 1. Let us take program 1. Program 1 to find greatest of three numbers. Now what we'll do is first let us go for if. In a if, first what we have to do? We have to take variable A. Okay, we have to take A. We have to compare with B and C. We have to compare with B and C. Now how can we compare with B and C? We have to take A first. A greater than B and A greater than C. In this case, if A is the greatest, we can tell A is the greatest. In case A is not greatest, so we will use one else if. Okay, here we will write one more condition. Okay, we will write one more condition here. What is that condition? In case A is greater than B and A is greater than C, if this condition is false, control comes here. Now let us ignore A and let us check B. B is greater than C. B is greater than C. Now if B is greater than C, now we can tell that the B is the greatest. Else we can tell that C is the greatest. C is the greatest. Okay, so here what we are doing, we are taking A and B values. Now if A is greater than B and A is greater than C, your A is the greatest will execute. Okay, A is the greatest will execute. Else if the condition is wrong in the if condition is wrong in the if, control will come to else if. Now after coming to else if here, now if the condition is true, if B is really greater than C, then your B is the greatest will execute. In case here also condition is false, control will directly go to else and now we will be executing C is the greatest. So first of all, if the condition is wrong in if, control goes to else if, and if the condition in the else if is also false, control will go to else. So currently in this program, A is equal to 4, B is equal to 7, C is equal to 2. First of all, we have to check A is greater than B, that is 4 is greater than 7. 4 is greater than 7. 4 is greater than 7. Yes. No, 4 is not greater than 7. So here, since 4 is not the greatest, here first condition itself is false. You already know how AND operator is. First condition itself, first operand is returning false, it will not go for the next one. So it will not come inside the block. Now control goes to the next condition, that is else if condition. Here we will be checking if B is greater than C, that is 7 is greater than 2. Of course 7 is greater than 2. Yes. So here you will be getting 7 is the greatest and execution will stop here. Execution will stop it because it will not go for else because the condition has been satisfied here. Condition is true here. So now we'll be getting B is the greatest. Yes, Sanjay, did you get it? Did you understand how else if ladder works? Okay, guys, hope you all have understood how to find the greatest of three numbers. Hope you all have understood. Let us go for. Once again, can you explain? Okay, sure. See what happened. What if both condition may be true? When both condition are true, which condition first, which condition is true? Okay. First, which condition is true? That condition will execute. If suppose if is only true means this will only execute. That's all. It will not come to else if also. It will not come to else also. If both the condition is true, it will just execute the first one. It will not come for the second one. Now here. So let me explain you this again, Akshita. Now we have three numbers 4, 7 and 2. We are checking here. 4 is greater than 7. 4 is greater than 7. Condition is false because AND operator will not check the second operand. First of all, first only it will check if it is false, totally it will give false. So if the condition is true here, currently the condition is false. Currently the condition is false here. Since the condition is false, it will not go inside the if. It will skip this block and it will go to the next condition else if. Now we are checking 7 is greater than 2. 7 is greater than 2. Of course it is true. So this block will execute and you will be getting B is the greatest. You will be getting B is the greatest. So execution here only it will stop. Okay, here only execution will stop as the condition has been satisfied. It will not even go to else block. It will not even go to else block. Okay, so this is how your if else if ladder is used. What if you use OR operator? OR operator, no, we can't use OR operator here because if OR operator is used, it will give true. This will give true. Then you can't know which is the greatest. Okay, so if OR operator is used, this first here condition will be true because one is true, one more is false. Okay, so for OR operator, any one is true, that will execute, but it should not be like that. We want both the conditions to be satisfied. Whenever we want only one condition to be satisfied, there you can use OR. But currently we want both the condition to be satisfied, so we have used AND operator. If you use OR operator, here only you will execute and it will not even come to else if, and the wrong output you will get. Excuse me. So you will be getting a wrong output. So that is why you have to not use AND operator when you are using multiple conditions. Okay. So hope you guys understood. So we have seen how to find the greatest of three numbers. Now let us see how to find greatest of four numbers. This is also very easy. So to find greatest of four numbers. Okay, to find excuse me, to find greatest of four numbers. To find greatest of four numbers, let us take int number 1 is equal to 1. Int number 2 is equal to 2. Next int number 3 is equal to 3. Next int number 4 is equal to 4. Now just by seeing we can tell which is the greatest number. Now let us see how we will be finding the greatest of four numbers. Let us take first if we have to take one condition will give, that is three condition we have to give. We have to take n1. We have to take n1. We have to compare with n2, n3 and n4. First of all, first condition we have to take n1, compare with n2, n3 and n4. Next, here, currently in each block we have to take it. So n1 is greater than n2 and n1 is greater than n3 and n1 is, yes, 2 times else if will come, and n1 is greater than n2 and n1 is greater than n3 and n1 is greater than n4. If all these three conditions are satisfied, If all these three conditions are satisfied, we can tell that n1 is the greatest number. n1 is the greatest number. Now, in case if this is false, you have to go for else if. That time you have to ignore the first value. First one you have to ignore because already we have checked for first one. Now let us go for another one, else if. Using else if, some more conditions we will write. Else if. Let us take n2. n2 is greater than n3. And n2 is greater than n4. Now, if both the conditions are true here in the else if, now you'll be telling that n2 is the greatest number. n2 is the greatest number. Next, and one more else if we have to take because one more condition is left. So after that, let us ignore the second one. Let us take n3 and n4. Now, if you are taking n3 greater than n4. If the condition is true, we will be telling that n3 is the greatest number. Else, you have to come to else when none of the cases will satisfy. None of the cases get satisfied, we'll come to else. Now here, instead of writing one more condition, now directly you can write here that n4 is the greatest number. n4 is the greatest number. n4 is the greatest number. So here, now here, excuse me. So here, yes, n4 is the greatest number. Yes, why? Because 1 is greater than 2. Here only condition wrong. You already know AND operator, how patienceless it is. It will not check like OR operator. It will not check like OR operator. Now here, when n1 is greater than n2, n1 is greater than n2. Condition 1 is greater than 2. No, condition is false. Here only, it will not check even other one also. So directly it will give false. So when it is false, control will not come here. Control will directly come to else if. In else if, we will be checking. If 2 is greater than 3, done. Here also it is false. Next, 3 is greater than 4, false. So last one, else is left. Now we will be getting 4 is the greatest number because inside n4 we have 4. Inside n4 we have 4. Now we'll be telling that the n4 is the greatest number. So inside n4 we have 4. So we'll be getting 4 is the greatest number. 4 is the greatest number. So now, yes, Preeti, correct. Now we'll be getting that 4 is the greatest number. Are you seeing here? 4 is the greatest number. 4 is the greatest number. So this is how you will implement your if else if ladder. Hope you have got it. Everybody understood if else if ladder? This program, greatest of 4 numbers. In the same way, you can go for smallest also. In the same way, you can do for smallest also, okay? You can take that as a homework. Do for smallest also, okay? And one more thing. I have sent a PDF yesterday, right? For the notes. I have sent a PDF and for the increment decrement operator, there was one activity given. Did you guys do that activity? Did everyone do did the activity, yesterday's activity? Let me know. I will call any one of you and I'll ask you the. No, ma'am, I will try tomorrow. Okay, guys, this is the last chance from this class. Don't do like that. Don't do like that. So from next class, I'll not be very lenient. Okay. So make sure you guys do it. See, this is the time where you learn. Okay. So in that time, whatever is given, do it because we know what to give, when to give, and how you guys have to study. Like how you'll understand when you'll study, what you'll understand, we guys know because we have already learned it. In this way, if you learn, surely you'll be getting it. What will be the output of the following program? Okay. Okay, let us check here. Okay. No activity. See, I have sent one PDF. No, you guys remember? Activity. That increment operator PDF I have sent. Operator PDF I have sent. Everybody got it? PDF. Operator PDF. No. How come Pooja didn't get it? Guys, what about others? It's only showing program. It's showing only program. See, activity, we received the world file. So operators, I didn't send you. Guys, are you kidding me? Really? Okay, just give me a minute. I will check if I have not sent. E23, right? Operators I have to send you. Just a minute. Let me check if I have sent or not. No, if I have sent, then it's there for you. If I have not sent, then I will send it. Your batch is E23, right? Okay. What is this then? Core Java operators. Okay, let me show you here. Okay, wait a second. How naturally you guys will tell lies, huh? See, I have sent you. Wait a second, I will show you here. Now, can you see here? Wait a second. Can you see here? Core Java operator. This I have edited this file also until end. Okay, if you scroll at the end, you will be finding that. You'll be finding that. Okay. So yes. Wait a second. I will show you even what I have sent. I will show you. Just a minute. I will show you now. So core Java operator. No. Okay. Wait a second. I will send you. I will show you. So okay. Okay, I'm gonna share my screen now. See where 1 second. Okay. Are you guys getting any background voices? No, guys, now tell me because I'm using one application to avoid it. Are you guys getting any background noises? Except my voice? Okay, okay, that's great, that's great. Okay, now I will show you what I have sent you. See, core Java, this I have sent. Can you see operator of one PDF? I have sent you here classification of operator, whole notes I have sent you. Increment or decrement operator, conditional. See, can you see there is an activity 4 here? 1 second. Yeah, can you see there is an activity 4? This is that activity. Activity 4. Along with the programs, everyday activities will be given. Till now, if you have not done, 4 activities are done already. So try to do it. You have to do it. Okay. So yes, I think few people have done. See, first question. I mean, the number is wrong here. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3 is there. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So the second question and the third question already have done. To find largest of two number using conditional and to whether the number is even or not using conditional, we have done it. Just this first program and the last program was there. I will not do. You guys do and come. Okay, do and come. See, Rishabh, the notes are already been sent. It is in the PDF form. You don't have to download the whole PDF. You will get it at the last. All the PDFs I have sent. Okay. So this is activity 4. Okay. Even I am responsible. I know you guys are here. You need to learn. Okay. I can't just forget. So yes, I have sent you also because one time I have not sent because I was little busy with something. So yes, so make sure from today, make sure go through the whole PDF. If you have gone through PDF, you would have not told ma'am not sent. So try to go through PDF. From beginning only I have sent. PDF is not showing ma'am. Rishabh, right? Let me see where you are. Okay, Rishabh Sinha, wait a second. Conditional operator, you got increment or decrement. Why you didn't get? See, I have broadcasted here. If I broadcasted, of course, everybody will get it. Oh, this is a platform mistake. Wait a minute. Conditional operator. Oh, people are not getting notes. How come I posted here? Conditional operator, increment, decrement. How come you are not getting here? So I have, see, as you can see, I have broadcasted actually. Can you see here? Can you see here? Operators and notes, everything I have sent you. Conditional increment, decrement. And Rishabh, wait a minute. Rishabh Sinha. Increment, decrement, conditional operator. Why nothing is in? When you joined here? When you joined to this QTalk, Rishabh? Yesterday you joined and you're telling what is this one? Ping me later, I will send you all the notes. And people who want all the notes, ping me today itself, I'll send after the class around 10. Sometimes PC does not support programs, it will take more time for execution. Did you know why? Yes, I do know why it will happen. If memory is full, in case if memory is full and your RAM is less, suppose the system is old, like Windows 7, Windows 8, like that. If the Windows is like that and the RAM is very little, suppose 4 GB RAM, like that, if it is there, means you will be getting a problem with execution of your code, because this use so much memory. I mean, needed amount of memory inside from your RAM it will take. That you will learn when you go for class loading process, how the execution goes on with a secondary memory, I mean with a primary memory, how the memory will be allocated for your programs, you will learn that. But if your RAM is less, surely your execution of the program will decrease. When the RAM is more, okay, and yeah, you will be getting executed. 4 GB. What's the system? Wait, man, Himanshu. Everybody's problem is here. Didn't get any connected respect coordination. See, people who want notes from the starting, just ping me. Okay, after this class, have your food. Okay, after 10 o'clock, ping me. I will send you notes. And wait a second, someone has given a program. Let us see what that is and let us trace it here. So let us paste it here. i3 processor, then it should work. No, 4 GB RAM. That is why. If system is old or 4 GB RAM, surely it will be delaying. Okay, first of all, let us check this program. Let us see. What is the output main here? What is the output you are getting? N is equal to dot out dot println. Okay. So how you did? You just took m comma 10. Oh. Okay. Okay, what will be the output? Who is it? 1 second. Yes, Himanshu. Yes, tell me, Himanshu. What is the output here? What is the output here? Tell me. Himanshu. Himanshu, are you here? Oh God. Okay. M1011. Okay, you are getting M as, okay, output. You are getting M is 1011 and n is 1012. Okay, okay, no, I asked Imanshu. Okay, you guys already know this. What will be the output? Let us check. Output is 0. Okay, output is 0 you're getting. Okay. So, okay, let us check here. Okay, mine m minus m. So minus means you have to reduce by 1. So it will be no. So m you are reducing by 1, 1010. If you reduce by 1, it will be just a minute. 1009. You have to update here. 1 second. Let me update here m and n. It will be 1009. So here next divide by n minus. So n value current is 1010. You have to minus it. So it will be 1009. 1009. Both will be 1009. Now here into plus n. So plus for the n. So you'll get back 1010. Okay, after this, okay, so after this you'll be getting plus n, plus n. So to increase by 1, it will become 11, and you have to currently is the n value, that is 1011. Now divide you are getting. So next m plus. So currently 1009 is the m. So plus you will be getting it. It will go in increment by 1. It will be 1010. So here 1009 divided by 1011 into 1010 divided by 1009. Man, you will get 0 only. 0.9 you will get. But since you are using int here, okay, let us take float. Or we will take double. Okay. Now let us see if you are getting 0.9. Oh, you are getting 1.0. Okay, round figure it is taking. See, 0.9 means it will take, yes, 0.99 is the correct answer. Yes, Shushant. Yes, Imanshu, tell me. 0.99 is the correct answer. Yes, guys, tell me. 0.99 is the correct answer. Okay.
Hello.
Plus means 1010. Yes. See, any number. See, you have taken 4 numbers. If you are getting 1 point, see, 1 if you get also. See, 1.0, why? Because 0.99 it is round figuring. Okay, it is round figuring. And if you take a int here, you will be getting 0. Only the 0.999 is there. So int will only take the before decimal. Int will only take before decimal. Okay. If you take, it will be 0. Okay, it will be 0. And if you take double or float, it will be 0.1. So let us take float. So let us take here. Are you getting 1.0? Why? See, as you know, in your mathematics, I think you know there is something called as round figure. There is something called as round figure here, which means 1 second. If you have after point, if you have more than 6, suppose if you have 6 here, I mean more than 5 or more than 5, it is considered as 1. Round, we will do round figure. Okay. So 0.999, 3 nines, then 01, something you will get. So 999 will come. So obviously it will be 1.0. Since you are taking the value here, you'll be round figuring to 1.0. Okay, so this is how you'll be doing it. So there is a rule that multiple. Yes, Imanshu, tell me.
Hello, ma'am.
You are calculating RHS then LHS. See, first RHS. Hey, there is no RHS LHS man here. Directly it has been printed in one println statement. So we are doing it. So when the statements are given like this, try to come from the back. Try to solve from the back here, from the back towards the front. Okay, from the back towards the front, try to solve it. Okay, now let us see
Hello.
what we'll be getting if you solve it from front to back. So we will take 1010 here also, and we will take 1010. Let us see if you are getting the same answer. So m plus plus, I mean back as RHS. Back. See, we can't tell that. Here from the from the right to left side. Here there is no RHS or LHS because there is no equals here. You can't tell RHS or LHS. So from the backwards to the front, or from front back to front here. So here let us take 1010, right? M1010. So we'll take 1010. 1010 currently you'll use values. Plus plus we are doing here. So plus plus means obviously we have to go increment by 1. It will become 1011. Next. Plus plus n. So plus plus n. So for n we'll do plus plus, it will become 1011. So the same value we'll be using. Next. Into currently n value will be 1011. So 1011. Here we have to go minus it. It will become 1010. Next, divided by minus m. So 1 m we have to minus. It will be 0. Now current m it is 1010. So 1010. Now let us check this. Okay, we have to use BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule. Let us use the BODMAS rule here. Bracket of division, multiplication, addition. So let us see 1010 divided by 1011. So 1010 divided by 11, it will be here, that is within brackets, it will be 0.999 into, let us come here, 1011 divided by 1010. So it will be 1.000. You will get like this. So here 0.999 into 1.000. So obviously you'll be getting same output, man. From front to back or from back to front, you're getting the same. Using BODMAS also you're getting the same. 0.9 only you'll be getting. If you're using float, you'll be getting 1.0. But in case if you're using int, you'll be getting same 0.9 only. I mean, yeah, 0.9 only you'll be getting. Since you're taking int, you'll be getting a 0. Okay. So did you get it, Himanshu? Or any doubts you have still? Let me know. Audio request I am accepting only. I don't know why it's not getting accepted.
Hello.
Yes, Himanshu, tell me. Okay, wait a second. I'll refresh the screen.
क्या हो गया?
Just refresh the screen. Network issue has happened. So yeah. So yes, you guys were giving audio request, but I was not able to accept. So I just refreshed the screen. Yes. Where is Imanshu? Yes, Imanshu. Yes. Yes, Imanshu.
Ma'am, I am saying I was getting answer 0.99, but the answer was showing is 0. So my question is why it is giving zero. See if it see if we taking any floating concept or double concept, that is fine. See if we taking integer, then why it is giving zero answer?
Integer considers only the elements before decimal. It will not accept elements after decimal. But double or float accepts both normal numbers and decimals. So when it is taking 0.9 together, it will be considered as 1 only. It will be considered as 1 only. 0.9, it will be considered as 1 only. Round figure to 1. You
Okay,
know the
ma'am.
data types, right? How int behaves and how double behaves. See, if you're
Yes.
taking int, surely you'll be getting only 0 because 0.9 is there. 0.9 after decimal you'll not get. That is because of int. If you take any normal data type also, you'll get the same. But when you take float or int, you'll be getting 0.9. 0.9 is round figure to 1. 0.9 is round figure to 1 here. So we have seen both the ways. I have done a BODMAS rule also. From back to front, I have done a calculation. Front to back, I have done a calculation. Still, we are getting the same output. Okay, same.
Okay.
So 0 you will be getting if it is int, and if it is a float or double, you will be getting a 1 because it is 0.9. 0.9 round figures to 1.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I have one question more.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, I have sent you on chat.
Where?
Ma'am, in chat.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. Yes, I got it. Um. Okay, wait a second. And guys, others also see the calculation. So in future also it will be helpful for you. So cat 123 dot caret of 1. Okay. Okay. Okay, char ch is equal to 123 dot caret of 1. Okay, fine. You're accessing index 1, 0, 1. So currently inside ch 2 is stored. So currently ch is equal to 2. So ch plus plus. So ch plus plus, if you're taking first, you have to use the value, then go increment it. So it will become 3. Next, again one plus is there. Okay. 2 plus. Next, plus plus is there. So you have to increment by one more time. It will be 4. Then you will use the value of ch. So currently 4. 4 plus 2, 6. So you have to get 6 here. But you are getting 1 or 2. How come? Caret at 1, you have to access with yes, answer is 6 only, but ch plus plus plus, okay. You are accessing, but caret at 1 only you are accessing. Okay, 1 second. Let us print ch here. Okay, let us print ch. So you'll be getting 2. See, as I told you, ch you'll be getting 2 only. Okay, ch will be 2 only. ch plus 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 ch. Okay, why you are getting 102 here? ch. Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3. String you're taking. Okay, so 102. Yeah, character accept only single. That is what. See, if you're printing ch, you're getting 2. ch is 2 only. If you are doing calculation, you properly you have to get 6. But here you are getting 1 or 2. So 1 or 2, maybe it is accessing everything. String dot character. Okay. Okay. Is it fine if I tell this to you tomorrow, Imanshu? I'll find out and I'll tell you. Okay. Is it fine? How CH is getting a see CH if you're taking the string. See, you don't know, guys. If you don't know, don't please worry. Don't worry about it. We are taking this as an indexes. Okay. So index that index number 1 is 2. Index number 0 is 1. 1 is 2 and 2 is 3. So string dot caret dot 1 is equal to, that is here CH will be 2. CH if you're printing, we are getting 2 only. But CH plus 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 CH plus plus. Okay. Let us divide this. Okay, let us divide this. Let us remove the plus here. So let us. Plus plus CH. Let us execute these two and let us understand. See, you are getting same CH plus plus means 2 and plus plus CH means 4. Yeah, we are doing correctly only. But when we combine here, we are getting it as a different. When we combining, we are getting 1 or 2. Why you take 2? Why you take 2? Because the character at the index 2 is, index 1 is 2. See, a string can't be taken directly into char. Char length is only 1. Currently, you are accessing index at 1. So, others don't worry about this. Don't just ignore this. So, we are taking at 1 here. It is 2 only. 0 means 1, 1 means 2, 2 means 3. So, character at 2 is, index at character at index 1 is 2 only. So, it is 2. So, here I am not sure what it is. So, CH plus 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 CH. You are getting this CH plus plus. Okay, I'll get back to you. No, there will be no error in Eclipse. But I don't know why you are getting it here. We'll get back to you, okay? There will be no error in Eclipse because Eclipse is a program. It's an application decided here. Yeah, there is no problem here. See, whatever we are doing, it's fine. But because of this plus, everything is changing. So, we'll get back to you tomorrow, okay? Let this statement be. We'll get back. Okay. Okay, guys. So, we were doing if-else-if ladder, right? Let us come back here. If-else-if ladder. So we have done, first let us complete this, that I will solve it tomorrow, okay? So yes, let us finish this off. To find greatest of 4 numbers we have seen, no? Okay, one more program we will do it and we'll wind up for today, okay? And yes, one more program only we'll be doing. Then, yes, so we'll be doing then your activity programs. Okay, I gave you homework, right? Okay, we'll be doing tomorrow activity programs. So next class we will go for if-else-if ladder. Switch. Okay. So today we will complete if-else-if ladder. One more program we will do. Okay. So, ma'am, repeat 1010 expression. See, don't worry about it. Others don't worry about it. This you will understand when you. Yes, Imanshu. What happened?
Nothing, ma'am, nothing.
Okay. Ma'am, repeat 10. See, don't worry about it. You guys don't know what is index. You don't know what is string. Right? You don't know how a string characters are accessed. You don't know that. So don't worry about that. Just leave it. Your programs has stopped here. Okay. Here till if you have understood till here, that is fine. Those type of programs you will see in future classes. Don't worry about that. Don't take everything into your mind. Just take whatever programs I have done for you. Okay. So to find greatest of 4 numbers we have done. Now let us find, okay, the character which is given. We have to check. As we have already done this in conditional operator, we will be doing this in if-else-if ladder. Okay, here that is program 3. Let's take this in comments. Program 3. To check if the given character is This we have already done. Just we are doing an if else if ladder to check if the given character is a number or alphabet or an alphabet or a special character. This program we have already done. To whatever the character will be taking, no, we'll be checking if the character is a number or a alphabet or a special character. We have already done this using conditional operator. Same thing we'll be doing here. Okay, using if. First we will take one character here. Okay, here only we will take one character first. Without if, first let us take one character. Char ch is equal to, suppose if you take a dollar, it has to show that it's a, whatever you take, it has to show properly if it is a number or character as an alphabet. Okay, everything. So let us take an if block. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. If ch is greater than or equal to capital A, and okay, let us not give more space here. Ch is less than or equal to the capital Z. Here now we can give OR operator. Next, ch is greater than or equal to small a, and ch is less than or equal to small z. Okay, so if the control come inside this if block, that means the given character is a alphabet. So now we will tell the character which is given is an alphabet. Is an alphabet. Okay, else if we have to take a else if here. Else if ch is greater than or equal to the character 0 and ch is less than or equal to the character 9. Less than or equal to the character 9. So now we'll be getting that the ch is a number. That's it. In else, what we will do, we will directly tell it is a special character. ch is a special character. See, what is the logic here? Very simple. First, we'll be taking a character and we'll be checking if it is a capital or small. If it belongs here, see, we have given R here. It has to come between capital A to Z or small a to z. Okay, now ch plus is an alphabet we'll be getting in case if the ch if enters inside this if block and it becomes true. In case if the if condition is becoming true, means that whatever the character we have given is a alphabet. In case if it gives true here, whatever given statement we'll be getting, that is a number, whatever we have passed character. In case if it is not both alphabet or number, surely it will be a special character. Okay, now let us execute. We have given a dollar here, so you will be getting dollar is an alphabet. You will be getting a dollar is a special character. So now suppose if you give a alphabet like A, now we will be getting A is an alphabet. Are you seeing here? See the last output. A is an alphabet. Now if you are giving a number, okay, so now you'll be getting that the 7 is a number. So now if you give a dollar, surely you'll be getting that the dollar is a special character. Dollar is a special character. Okay, so hope you have understood that. Everybody understood the logic here to find if the character is number, alphabet or a special character. Everybody got this program? Everybody understood? Okay, guys. Okay, fine. Yes. Okay. Okay, now what we will do? We have one more. This one, that is a decision statements. That is easy. That is easy actually. Okay. So shall we play truth or dare? Guys, shall we play truth or dare here? Are you guys ready? Using Java program, we will play truth or dare. Are you guys ready? Okay. Okay. So now let us take one more class. Truth or dare. So for truth or dare, let us take a main method. And inside a main method, now you guys tell me the task. What a person who chose truth has to choose, what a person who told dare has to choose. Give me some few list. Any like singing, dancing, dumb charades, like that. Yes. Okay, let us go for singing first. Next. Second one. Go for dancing. Third one. Oh, teaching. I am already doing. Okay, playing. Playing what? Playing what? The cooking. Okay. Riding bike at 150 above speed. Okay. Okay, I will give riding bike at 150 kilometer per second. Playing an instrument. Okay. Playing an instrument. Okay. Singing a song. Singing a song. Dancing for a song. Obviously, you know, dancing for a song only they will dance. Now, playing an instrument. Cooking, vegetarian or non-vegetarian? Okay, reading storybook. Okay, that is also data. Okay. Reading storybook. Oh, sleeping. Sleeping, it's a dare. Okay. Cooking, what? Vegetarian or non-vegetarian? Veg or non-veg? Okay. Doing comedy. Okay. Non-veg. Okay. Cooking, non-veg. Next. Seventh one. Seventh one. Oh, living in jungle. Oh my god, you guys are so dangerous. Living in jungle for one night, but you have to kill the person. Oh my god. Okay, reading a story and doing comedy, let us take. Comedy. Okay, laughing and jokes, everybody will do. Hug your father all of a sudden. Hey, those are English. This one, we will not do that. Okay, so this is nice. Watching TV, we'll do it already. Live in jungle for one night. Live in. Nowadays, no jungles are there. Jungle for one night. Instead of jungle, if you tell forest, that will be so daring. Live in forest. All ghost beasts will come and catch. Okay. Now, skydiving. Okay. So many options. Eighth one will give. Skydiving. Okay. Playing an instrument. Okay. Cooking, riding bike, reading story. Reading story book. It is not a dare, man. Let us take this off. Doing comedy, okay, skydiving, lean, okay, these are all dares. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so 8 we have, okay. 8 we have. Paragliding, okay, that is also nice. Okay, inch, irritate your... Oh, nice one slap will get with that vessel, right? That whatever she's done. Yes, we can continue. Okay. So we have 9 options. Would you like to add one more? Last one. We have a lot of good options. Yes, yes. We have last one more. Because so many members are there. No, we shouldn't give. See, so many are there. Underwater swimming. Okay. That has become an activity. It is not a dare. Oh, underwater, full deep. Okay. And I will surely not do dare with you. Okay. Okay. Enough. This let us leave it because it's going too personal. Okay. So singing a song, dancing for a song, playing an instrument, cooking non-veg dish, and riding bike at 150 kilometers per second, doing comedy, skydiving, living in forest for 1 night, paragliding, underwater swimming. Now, what we will do is, one second. Okay. So now which network I'm using? One second. Okay. So now we will give you one random number. Okay. One random number will give you, and that number I can decide. Any number I can decide, and I can give your I can give you, okay, I can give you those options. Now here by default, now what we will do is we will take one choice variable. We'll ask user, above we will ask user, enter your choice or enter the dare. Suppose user has chosen for the dare, go offline. Oh, you want me to send, you want me to go offline? After 10 minutes we'll go. Okay, so enter the dare. So what happens if you're seeing output here? Okay, that's okay. So if you're seeing output here, you'll be getting so many options. Once again. So here you'll be having so many options. That is, see, enter the dare. Anyone you can choose. Right? 10 options are being given. Any one you can choose. So that one, whatever you have chosen, you have to do it. Okay, that one, whatever you have chosen, you have to do it. See, as you observe here, everything we have taken as a numbers. Everything we have taken as a numbers. We have taken everything as a numbers. Since we have taken it as a numbers, we can give input in the number format. So int choice variable is equal to, suppose if you give 6. Okay, now what we'll do, let us take one switch. We have not learned about switch case, but now let us learn it. So case 1, okay, one line we will give. Case 1, we'll be printing, sing a song. Okay, case 2, that is dance for a song. Case 3, now play an instrument. Case 4, so after we'll go cooking non-veg, or cook non-veg. Next, case 5, ride bike. Within print and statement will give ride bike at 150 kilometer per second. km per second. Next, case 6. So I know it's taking some time, but it will be good. Okay. So case 6, doing comedy. So case 7. Live in forest for one night. So instead of forest, you can tell like so where you will bury all the people who are dead. Graveyard, right? Live with lane. Hey, that is all possible, man. Live with lane. Live in forest. They can do. So okay, spend one night in a graveyard. Let us do comedy and all. Okay, cook non-veg. Cooking anybody can do. So spend a night. I am more dangerous than you guys in a graveyard. Okay. So which option it is? Fourth option. So let us change it. Spend the night in graveyard. Okay. So case 8. I know we have taken a lot of options here. Case 8. Live in forest for one night. This is easy. Live in forest for one night with all the animals. Case 9. So case 9. We'll go for paragliding. Next. Case 10. Case 10. We will go for underwater swimming. Okay, see, these are the options we have given. So we have to see the options and choose one. Now let us execute now. So here, listen carefully. We have how many options? How many options? 10 options. So we have chosen option number. Let us check which option we have chosen. Option number 6 we have chosen. Okay, option number 6 we have chosen. See, option number 6 we have chosen. So doing comedy. Okay, we have chosen doing comedy. So since we have done, we have chosen doing comedy here. Since we have done doing comedy here, from the comedy, all the options are getting selected. From the comedy, all the options are getting selected. So how it gets selected is, see, whatever the option you do it, whatever option you select it, whatever the option that we have to mention in choice. Here you have to mention that inside that choice, the value will go. And whichever the options you have given, from there it will start executing. Case 6. So from case 6, we'll get all options below. See, we have chosen only for case 6, right? We have chosen only for case 6. So what we have to get? Only doing comedy we have to get. Only doing comedy we have to get. But we are getting everything below here. As you can observe here. As you observe here. See, we have chosen 6th one. That is doing comedy. Okay. So from doing comedy, all other are getting executed. We don't want it. We don't want to do so many dares. We want to do only one dare. We want to do only one dare. So now what we have to do? Ma'am, 7 and 8 both type are same. Okay, one second. Okay. Live in graveyard for one night. Where? Skydiving. Okay, 4th one we have to change. Okay, 7th one is skydiving. Okay, let us change. 7th one. Okay, skydiving. So now here what happens is, we have chosen case 6 only, but here executing with the case 6, all below cases are executing. We should not accept it. We cannot do so many. We have chosen only one. So what we have to do? we have to get only one case executed at a time, we can go for break. Now we'll use break. Okay, now we'll use break. Don't worry about what these and all. Tomorrow I will teach you what these are. Is break. Also, okay, we will copy paste, we'll keep giving. Chapter 5. So, okay, case 9. Okay, after 10 you don't have to give. Now let us execute. Listen carefully. Now we have chosen only for case 6. So if we execute, we have to get doing comedy. Now are we getting only one? We have chosen only doing comedy. We have chosen doing comedy. Are we getting only doing comedy? Yes, we have done only one. We have taken one dare. Let us mention one more dare here. Case 6 on. We go. Here we have to change it. Here we have to, what happened to this? Case 4. Okay, now the spending one night in graveyard. Are you guys seeing here? Spending a night in graveyard. Are you getting here? Yes. So here, whatever the option we choose, the same thing we are getting in output. So what we will do is, let us give an option which is not there here. Let us give an 11th option. Let us change here. Let us give 11th option. See, users will be very, very different. So see, now we are getting no output here. Now we are getting no output here. Why? Because there is no 11th option. So when user gives an option which is out of limit, then you have to go for default. Now here we'll be telling, check the options first. Check the options first. So now if you're giving 11, we'll be telling check the options first. Why? Because options are till 10 only. What are we getting? Check the options first. Check the options first. Why? Because we are giving 11th option which is not there. Okay. So let us learn how this daring is going on, daring, all these things is going on in our next class. Okay. It's very interesting. Okay. Then we'll also learn the syntax, what and all is allowed, to not allowed, everything we'll learn in tomorrow's class. Okay. Okay, guys. And yes, there will be a class tomorrow for you also. Even there will be working day for me also. It's a normal day. And guys, there is no holiday tomorrow. You have class. Yes, tomorrow is a normal day. It has been announced. So yes. Okay, guys, any doubts you have except this program, we will do it tomorrow. Okay. So we'll see what and all we have to do here. Okay, we'll do it tomorrow. Yes. Okay. Other than this, which any other doubts you have? Okay. Please send today's program. Ma'am, mention shortcut in QTalk also. Shortcut in QTalk. Don't go for shortcut as of now. If you're not getting, we will see next time. Okay. Okay, guys, that's it for today. And I'll be sharing you the decision statement notes as well as your programs, whatever we have done. I don't know why you are getting this problem here in the QTalk. I am sending and it is not reaching people. How come? We guys, can we get this? Yes, you will get this code on QTalk only.